granite outcroppings. Look at that moss on the granite outcroppings. It's really neat with all the cedar trees. Okay, we're going to drive around to the mill itself. The cedar waxwings are still in that cedar tree, just feasting. Again, if y'all have invasive nandinas, you need to dig them up or cut the berries off. Don't let the cedar waxwings get them. They gorge themselves on them. We're going to have to come back to this park when we have more time to spend and check it out. We're going to go down to the bridge. Go down to where's this stuff come from? It just comes out of my mouth so easy. Going down to the mill. Getting Insta360 video as well as this video. Well, there's a trail here too. Yeah, we'll have to come back and check this out better. By the time we get finished here and then get this video edited, uploaded, and posted, we're going to be running out of time. Hey, we will be finishing up our S22 Ultra video first and then going to the Insta360. Yeah, the Insta360 video will be sales mill only, and we'll have a short of sales mill horizontal. Large metal wheel. Well, they updated the windows with thermopane windows. Looking in, looks like all the middle works have been removed. You're not going to be able to turn it to where you can see the upstairs. Okay, this is going to be a wrap. This will wrap up our horizontal with the S22. We're going to crank up the Insta360 again. We're going to start up there and walk back down here. So we're probably going to have two Insta360 videos of the mill. I don't know if we'll try to put them together or not. I don't know if I've quite figured that out yet. Okay folks, here we are, the removed section from the old Camelback Bridge over the Tugaloo River. Don't drop the camera.